Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move here, not only price-wise, but then when you also look down here at volume, you can see biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the ideal area of support, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above this $2.37 mark, that would be a great sign of power. I use the word continue because you can see multiple times today the bears did try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of maintaining and staying up above that level. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can continue to hold above it, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back though and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line down here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's just going to continue to increase and look something like that. So if you just care about the grand scheme of things, the overall perspective, and you're saying, Clay, look, how do I gauge the health of the overall move? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line as time unfolds, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. So for you big picture players, the very simplistic way to do that, just keep an eye on that purple line and watch as it increases. And like I said, if the price stays above it as the purple line increases, bulls are in full control. What about areas of resistance? Now, yeah, up there around 260, 265, definitely an area of resistance, but a couple near-term ones really stand out to me before you start talking about doing battle with, up above 260. First one right here at $2.45. And then if the bulls can push through there, I suppose you could call this a little resistant zone. But between 245 and 250 going to be that first, kind of zone, if you will, of resistance. And then after that, you can start talking about, doing battle with 260 and above. But one step at a time, and that first step is getting through that zone, again, from 245 up to 250. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very powerful move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.